Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 Model MG ZS 1.5-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 7,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, pristine condition, casa maintained, ending plate 8, original spare key, side visor, car manual, service booklet, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 458,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 82,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2019 model Suzuki Vitara GLX, top of the line, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 36,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 6, push start, panoramic sunroof, touchscreen display, paddle shifter, cruise control, parking sensors, reverse camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 648,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 149,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2020 model Suzuki Swift GL, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 22,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, plate ending 5, daylight running light, touchscreen display, Bluetooth ready, fog lamps, all power, with spare key, owner's manual at booklet, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 528,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 109,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2017 model Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS Premium, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 1, cruise control, paddle shifter, push start, reverse sensors and camera, a parking brake with spare key, owner's manual at booklet, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 998,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 240,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2014 model Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 74,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 4, 2-din head unit, central locking system, fitted leather seat covers, fog lamps, all stock, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 348,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 87,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2015 model Subaru Forester Premium, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 73,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, plate ending 0, all-wheel drive, panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, push-button start, touchscreen head unit, steering wheel controls, power fold side mirrors, leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 118,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.